Hello，大家好，又係我阿帆。咁喺今日一條 video 啦，我就想分享啦，即係2026年啦，去到今天啊，即係 as of today 啦，目前為止啦，最大型嘅 cyber security 嘅 incident 或者攻擊啦，咁就係 Axios 嘅 supply chain attack。咁我唔知佢係咪即係個名係咁樣，即係 Axios supply chain attack，即係供應鏈攻擊。咁但係如果大家之前啦有聽我建議，大家可能會 subscribe Level Chop 啊、阿 John 啊或者阿 Dave 嗰陣時，我咪講乜嘢叫做 user mode，乜嘢係 kernel mode 嗰時，我都係引用翻 Dave 嗰啲 video 咧。其實佢哋喺早嗰幾日咧已經係出咗啲片啦，就講一講呢一種攻擊嘅前因後果，究竟個嚴重性喺邊一度咁樣。咁其實我睇完咗之後都幾震驚，因為可能我就係其中一個受害者嚟。
Now, normally I wouldn't record a video like this, but considering the size, scale, and severity of this incident, I thought being faster, being more rapid in a rapid response would probably be a good thing, because there has been a supply chain compromise of the Axios library, basically ubiquitous. Like just about every JavaScript running application or solution uses this package in this library in the npm package and repository. And the thing is, we have seen and confirmed hosts have been compromised. This is literally a rough draft of the blog post and article that I'm hoping, presumably Huntress, my day job, will put out. And I did want to note, look, I crapped this together with a little bit of AI. Wanted to be totally upfront, transparent with that. Gave it enough context from what I dug into during our live stream to investigate this breaking in the moment when the news was first hitting the streets. But we've observed active exploitation of a supply chain compromise targeting the Axios NPM package. It has over 100 million weekly downloads. Now, the attack delivers a cross-platform like Windows-supported, Linux-supported, and Mac-supported remote access Trojan or command and control capability to access the downstream victims. And they do this with a malicious dependency injected into the backdoored Axios release, versions 1.14.1 or 0.30.4 are the malicious packages.
因為乜嘢係 Axios 咧？其實就係一種JavaScript 嘅一個package 啦，可能幫我哋啲開發者就做一啲前端啊，即係 front end 或者 back end 啲 API call。講到好似好複雜咧，其實實際上咧我都冇用過嘅。不過我就間接底下用咗，因為其實之前例如我會用就例如可能 npm 即係啲 Node.js 嘅 package manager 啦 ，npm 跟住就 install OpenClaw 或者等等。咁或者有陣時我會去啲 GitHub 度就睇下啲唔同嘅 project 啊嘛。咁好多時都係咩 npm install 乜乜乜咁樣。咁其實咧就將成個 application 攞咗落嚟裝啦，係咪先？咁其實可能間接底下咧，其實我咧就已經喺背後咧就裝咗個 Axios 噶啦。咁先講個結果咧，就即係話如果你真係唔小心去裝咗呢種有問題嘅 Axios 嘅話啦，咁其實好大機會就係你部機如果有啲 secret 啊、有啲 key 啊，咁就會俾啲 hacker 攞咗去啦，唔知佢攞嚟做啲咩嘢啦。咁所以又真係咁唔好彩，你裝咗有兩座唔同版本嘅 Axios 嘅話咧，咁可能你又真係要可能洗機啊，甚至乎可能你真係要所有嘅 key， 唔係甚至乎噶啦。如果我嘅話咧，我就會將所有嘅 key 咧就 revoke 晒一次，重新再去 gen 過嘅啫咁樣。咁不過今次嘅 incident 之所以可怕咧，就本身第一樣嘢就係 Axios 咧，你睇翻佢哋所講啦，咩全球每日平均係幾千萬嘅下載量啊，咁即係我唔好當一部機下載一次，一部機下載10次好冇？咁嗰個都已經幾百萬隻機噶咯喎，咁樣，咁其實所影響嘅都幾深遠嘅。咁但係另外一個問題就係因為佢係一個叫做 supply chain attack。咁嗰陣時，當我了解所謂 supply chain 個名就係咩供應鏈，我買貨咩供應鏈？咁原來又真係嘅喎。咁因為可能你會諗就係話，哇！我冇理由咁傻仔，我會 download 個有問題嘅 version 落嚟，我唔係有 antivirus 嘅咩？我唔係或者我唔係有啲叫 EDR 啊，即係 endpoint detect and respond。你睇 CrowdStrike 都冇辦法嘅喎。
And you weren't doing anything weird or wrong. You were just installing or using software from people that you trust. It's not your fault. It's a supply chain attack. It's kind of like this. If someone wanted to poison me, they could just put poison in this cup of coffee, but that'd be hard because I'm always watching my coffee. But they could instead go to the coffee roaster and poison the beans I buy. Actually, I need some more coffee right now. Or maybe they go higher up the chain. Maybe they poison the powder on these coffee bags, the same bags that are used by all the suppliers. That would expand their reach, poisoning a lot more people. I know this analogy is kind of dark. Or they can go bigger. What if they poisoned the water supply, going after the water I use to brew my coffee. And now they've expanded their use beyond coffee drinkers. It's everyone who uses the water. And that's kind of the scope we're dealing with right now with the Axios supply chain attack. So let's find out if you drink the water. Because here's the thing, you might have Axios installed, but you may not even know.
就叫做 supply chain attack 供應鏈，即係佢問個問題就係佢落毒，我要毒你部機，我要種啲木馬落去你部機咧。其實佢所搞嘅唔係搞 Axios 嘅源代碼係冇問題嘅，即係佢你要見到佢哋個描述係冇問題嘅。佢唯獨是就係因為 Axios 嗱，可能我要裝個 OpenClaw 咁啊 npm install OpenClaw 啦，咁裡面又要裝咗個 Axios 喺度啦，係嘛 OK 冇問題係咪先？咁 OpenClaw 唔可以做所有嘢噶嘛，咁佢都要 link with 一啲 package 幫手啦，咁可能裝 link 個 Axios 啦。咁 Axios 可能都做唔晒所有嘢噶嘛，咁佢亦都可能會有啲唔同嘅 dependence 咁樣。咁今次嘅問題所在就係話，佢唔係直接搞 Axios 嘅源代碼，唔係直接搞可能 GitHub 上面個 CI/CD pipeline 咁樣喎。佢係淨係喺某個 version 底下咧，要佢再 download 某一兩個 dependence。咁你又睇得到呢個 dependence 咧，其實看似好正常，可能係某一啲加密嘅 dependence 喎。但係呢種 dependence 就係話，當你裝呢個 Axios 咧，佢順便幫你裝埋。係啦，咁裝完咗之後咧，仲要佢冇耐咧，佢就會自己 delete 埋佢喎，即係連直無跡可尋咁樣。所以你會見到呢一種 supply chain attack 咧，我覺得真係隔山打牛咯。即係無論你係咪裝 OpenClaw 啊，即係 npm install 嗰堆嘢啦，其實你已經有機會咧係真係唔小心喺背後咧就裝咗個有問題嘅 Axios 落嚟，然之後 call 咗呢個有問題嘅版本，或者裝咗啲某啲 dependence 咁樣啦。咁不過如果真係想避免呢件事咧，可能暫時最折衷嘅版本就係話，當你真係裝好多嚟，即係我自己啦。如果我喺 GitHub 裏面攞啲 project 落嚟嘅話咧，可能我首先我會做嘅話，即係我又未必會識得睇全部曲噶嘛。可能我就鎖 version 咯，唔會立亂即係跟車太貼啦，即係唔好下下都 up to date 最 latest 啦。咁啊唔跟車太貼，用啲 N-1嘅版本。咁啊，睇下個情況會係點咯。即係我覺得而家呢一個 moment 係我覺得我可以做到嘅嘢。咁但係當然啦，如果你對於 supply chain attack 有啲乜嘢高見或者有啲咩意見嘅話，點樣可以防止到 supply chain attack？究竟點樣可以保護到你嘅？麻煩你喺樓下同大家分享下啦。如果你真係想更加之深入去了解，即係個 Axios 呢一種 supply chain，Axios 呢一個啊，唔係呢一種，都唔關佢事嘅。即係呢一作呢一個嘅 supply chain attack嘅話，其實你真係睇翻 Level Chop 啦、阿 John 啦或者 Dave 啦，佢哋描述喺外國有好多嘅 YouTuber 好 channel 咧，都有講呢件事噶啦。好啦，今日條 video 去到呢一度啦，咁我哋下條短片見，拜拜。